Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Kendi. I'll be your meal mentor for a challenge that we'll be doing. It involves doing simple meals at home and how you can enjoy different kinds of meals with whatever simple ingredients that you get in your home. So today we are going to focus on tea, and I'll be doing 3 types of tea, or how you can enjoy tea using 3 recipes. On our first recipe will be masala tea, and I will be using tea leaves. I have cardamoms, and I have grounded cardamom and grounded ginger, and milk and sugar, and water of course. So we are going to get right into it. Cardamoms, and let it boil some more. Our tea is now ready. You can serve it. Of course, add some sugar to taste. You can enjoy your masala tea with whatever snack you find in your house. Look me. Can I baridi? Perfect for this cold weather. Make sure you comment on how you enjoy your masala tea and share your pictures. For this and much more on how you can enjoy tea in different types, stay tuned.